your screen. So now I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how the software works. Here on the screen is the software. It allows both keywords, meaning you can put a lot of keywords in there. You can say CEO if you want to extract CEO. You can say manager if you want to extract manager. Say manager of any country. Now, depend on the country you want to extract. You can extract from any country. Here is the list of country available, and you can at the same time type the country which you want to extract. It is not included, or type the particular state you want to focus, or the particular city which you want to focus. Now let's say I want to go for United States. I just want to get the CEOs and the manager emails addresses in United States. I'm going to pick my email domain. I can pick Gmail, pick Yahoo Mail, pick Hotmail. There are other things you can put here, and at the same time on this software you can add your custom domain. Let's say at yourdomain.com. Any domain that you wish you want to add that is not included right in this box, you can immediately add it here by click on this and click on add custom domain. Then it will successfully add the domain right for you. Okay, but according to this template, let me just go with these two emails, Gmail and the Yahoo Mail. Now this is where the thing gets set up. You can see the social network. You can extract from LinkedIn, you can extract from Facebook, you can extract from TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and at the same time you can put your custom URL from any website of your choice that you want to extract from. You can put it right on the screen, just whatever you want to extract on the screen. Let's say says.com. That's what I want to extract from, just put it there. So now I'm just going to go with this LinkedIn, and don't forget this is my keyword. Meaning I'm telling the software I want CEOs in United States. So immediately I do this, I click on get data, then I'm going to just then I'm just going to say start extracting, and you can see boom, emails started rolling in for this keyword we are using. You can see it's just a few 2 seconds now. We have over 76 emails addresses which has collected, and it's still going. You can see the process is still going. And don't forget, we are just limiting our search based on Gmail and Yahoo Mail. There are other domains we can put. And once I'm even done with this, I can go through it and go to the other social media network or put my own URL network. And you can see in just a few seconds, I've had over 231 email addresses, valid, all from CEOs in the United States. So let's scroll, it's still going. You can see this is 393. So I can pause this one. And the beauty of the software is that you can easily remove duplicates, so you won't be sending same messages to the same person. So you can remove duplicates. You can see you have 393. So if I remove this, now I have 369. So you can easily copy your emails, export to your TXT and export, or you export to your CSV. So what are you waiting for? If you want to get email, valid targeted email address this time around in 2025, this is the software you need. Kindly check the description below this video, reach me in my DM and come for your license. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.